Hello students, good morning. Welcome to English session. So in the previous class we started a lesson that is Yuki and the tsunami. Yuki and the tsunami lesson. Half of the part completed. So what happens in the previous session? Yes, Yuki is a clever boy. They are living besides the mountains. Yes, they are celebrating one festival. It is a Japanese festival. How that festival name? Fine rice harvest. Fine rice harvest. So finally they got their crop. They will celebrate one type of festival. Okay. So it is a Japanese festival. So all their villages are getting ready to celebrate the festivals. That all their homes will decorate with the different types of lights, lanterns, okay, different types of garlands. Everything they will decorate their homes very effectively. So even Yuki also doing this work. Okay, so this much over. Okay, after some time they are totally busy in the work. So after some time, what happens? Yes, the earth is moving. The land earth is moved. So what happens? Their items totally fell down. In that particular place, the children are doing dancing, playing, laughing, beating, everything they are doing. So suddenly the earth is moved. They are in that place the members totally shocked. What happens here? So like that they worried. After some time the earth movement will stop. So finally they got relief. Oh yes, we are now safe. Like that they decided. So what happens after? Now it's very safe. Like that they said. But Yuki what said? No. We are in trouble. My grandmother said, what is the before symptoms to coming the tsunami? I remember that used to see the seas look like very dark. The sea look like very dark, and the waves come from our village. So it's not the correct time. Maybe tsunamis will come after some minutes. So be careful. Like that there's Yuki saying. So what happens? We have never seen anything like this before. Look at the sea. It has so far away from our beach. So from beach there will be shells that we have never seen before. Let's go and collect them. So but children is saying that waves are coming. It's very harmful for us. Like that Yuki said. But children are doing what they are saying. If waves are coming, even shells also coming up near to sea, we will collect the shells. ఆ షెల్స్ అంటే ఉంటాయి కదండి, అన్ని గవ్వలాగా వస్తుంటాయి చూడండి. అవన్నీ మనం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇట్లా వేవ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం అని చిల్డ్రన్ అంటున్నారు. Let's go and collect them. Then villagers are saying, let's go see what is happening. Yes, we are going. Let's see అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందో అందరం వెళ్ళి చూద్దామని అక్కడ అంటున్నారు. Then Yuki, wait everyone, wait. This is a terrible danger. This is what happens before a tsunami. My grandmother told me so. So all the villagers are going that side. So but Yuki is saying, no, please don't go that side. It is a symptoms to coming the tsunami. Yes, don't go that side. My grandmother told me. So we are in very dangerous. We are in dangerous place. So please don't go. Don't collect that shells. Like that they are said. Villagers saying, no Yuki, that can't be. We have had a wonderful harvest year. The season has been perfect. This is a strange and we are going to find out what is wrong. Then villagers are saying, no Yuki, it's not a tsunami, so you don't fear. It is just a normal it happens normally. So we will go like that they are saying. We will celebrate our festival. Okay, like that they are saying. Then Yuki, but we must run away up to mountain, everybody. So no one will stay here. We will go to that mountain place. Then only we will safe. We are safe in our living. We are in safe. If we go to that mountains, we are safe. If we stay here only, that a tsunami will come. We will die in the tsunami, in that sea only. Like that he is saying. But the villagers do not listen him leave. Yuki looks around wildly. He runs around looking for something. Finally, he picks up a long piece of wood and enters his house. When he comes out, the wood is on fire. Then he sets fire to the rice crop. The villagers are not believing the Yuki's word. So what can I do? So finally, he taken one wood and fire. It is a wood. It is in fire. మంటతోటి ఉందంట కదా. దాన్ని ఏం చేశాడంటే then he set a fire to the rice crops కి పెట్టేశాడు. రైస్ పంటలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, అక్కడ మొత్తం కాల్ చేశాడంట. ఎవరు వినట్లేదు, ఏదో ఒక ఐడియా చేశాడు. ఏం చేస్తాను చూడండి. Yuki said, fire, run to the mountains. ఇదంతా ఫైర్ ఉంది, మనం ఇక్కడే ఉంటే చనిపోతాము, రండి మౌంటైన్స్ దగ్గరికి రండి అని పిలుస్తున్నాడు. Fire, run to the mountains. All the villagers including Yuki and his mother are standing on a mountain. Everybody looks tired. As they have been running for a long time, they also look very angry. Yes. So he did one idea. So like that, fire, please come to the mountains. Like that he shouted. So when he shouted, the villagers and Yuki's father and mother also running that side. So we will take care of our health. మనం కాపాడుకోవాలి అన్నట్టుగా అందరూ వెళ్తున్నారంట. ఓకే. Yes. So finally, the Yuki's mother, the villagers also went to that mountain's place. What happens? Villagers say, Yuki has gone crazy. Why did he set the rice on fire? Even mother also saying, why Yuki? Why did you do so? Villagers are asking, why did you like this? Minnu vila enduku chesavu? It's a very crazy work, Like that, the villagers totally angry. Even Yuki's mother also getting very angry. What she's doing? Why Yuki? Why did you do like this? నువ్వు ఇలా ఎందుకు చేసావు దాంతోటి అని చెప్పారు. Then Yuki saying, look mother, the tsunami. All of them look at the huge waves rushing land and drowning the small village completely. The houses and fields are completely covered by the sea. The noise is thunders and the villagers crouch low in fear. Some begin to cry. Yes, Mom, once look at our village. The tsunami is coming now. Tsunami came total our houses are totally sink. అన్ని మునిగిపోయాయి. ఒకసారి చూసారా అక్కడ? Then Yuki, first there was an earthquake and then sea went back. I told you there would be tsunami as a grandmother had told me, but you did not listen. The only way to get you up to the mountain was burn the rice and have you run up here to find out why I did it. Yes, అతను అక్కడ క్రాప్స్ని మంటలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు దాన్ని చూడలేక అందరు అక్కడికి వచ్చేసారు కదా. మీరు అప్పుడు అదే టైం మీరు నేను ఎంత చెప్పినా మీరు రమ్మంటే రాలే కాబట్టి నేను ఈ పని చేశా. మీరు ఇప్పుడు అక్కడే ఉండేదంటే మన పని అయిపోతుంది కదా, మనం చనిపోయే వాళ్ళము అని చెప్తా. అందుకే నేను ఈ పని చేశాను అని చెప్తున్నాడు. విలేజెస్, our villages has been swept away, it's gone. The tsunami took it away like it was never there. Yes, so the villages also getting relief. So we are alive. Tsunami came, but that huts went, but we can construct again. But if we did not get any get a view, the mountain was burned, the rice, and you run up here to find out why I did it. Yes, మనము అక్కడే ఉండాలంటే మన ప్రాణాలు పోయేది కదా, సో అందుకే ఈ పని చేస్తానని చెప్పాడు. దెన్ యుకి ఆల్సో సేయింగ్ ఐఎమ్ సారీ దట్ ఐ బర్న్ ద రైస్ క్రాప్స్. నేను ఇలా రైస్ క్రాప్స్ని బర్న్ చేశాను కదా, ప్లీజ్ సారీ అని చెప్తున్నాను విలేజెస్. అక్కడ అందరూ ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అ వే టు గెట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ టు ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద మౌంటైన్. మీరు అందరూ ఈ మౌంటైన్ దగ్గరికి రావాలనే నేను ఇలా చేశాను అని చెప్తున్నాను. దెన్ విలేజెస్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ you were right after all, Yuki. It was a tsunami, Yuki. You saved us all. Yes, no problem, Yuki. It is you saved our life. You saved ours. So no problem. We will cultivate one more year. But you saved our life. You did very great idea. Spontaneously you taken a good idea. Finally we are all safe. So very thanks, like that say the villagers said to Yuki. All other villagers cheer and congratulate Yuki and go to him and his parents. Yes, all the villagers said very thankful to Yuki's family. So he did very great idea. So he saved his villages also. మనం కూడా ఏదైనా ఆపదలో ఉన్నప్పుడు స్పాంటేనియస్గా మంచి నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవాలి అనేది ఈ లెసన్ మోరల్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ we will discuss one more lesson.